Hey guys, I'm Arya here and here's Varun by my side, and we're going to show you a video on unboxing the Apple Pencil and its pros and cons. The cool Apple Pencil. So let's zoom in on a bit. When you open it, ooh, dun 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 dun. Here's your legal information. As you see, when you open it, you will have a cap and an adapter. And this is the legendary Apple Pencil, as you can see. Ooh, looks like a pencil, is a pencil. When you open this magnetic piece, ooh, what do you see here? It's a charging port. You can attach it to your iPad, or with the help of this adapter, you can attach it with a cable, as you see here. So let's go on its pros and cons. My Apple Pencil over here, I think it's 76% already. Good enough. So when you have the Apple Pencil, it'll already be charged to 100%. That's a pro. To connect this, you go to your settings, Bluetooth, and then it shall appear here. It's already connected. But if you off the Bluetooth, on it again, it's not connected. When you click connect, you have to insert this. That's one con. Like you have to keep on inserting it again. But otherwise, the Apple Pencil is great. Wait a sec. Yeah, close and then try again. Yeah, it's connected. So now you remove this. It's a bit hard to do here. So you can use the adapter instead. Yeah. So it's a magnet Apple Pencil. Let's see how it works. You can scroll through the screen very easily. You can do all this. You click your notes. Here's the thing I made. So the pros. It only takes 15 minutes to charge. Second, it has precise work. You can do precise work with this. And the third point is, it takes 1 day to drain its whole battery using all the drawing you wanted like that. The cons are, it drains battery even if you're not using it. Like if you're just keeping it here, it will keep on draining battery. So better off the Bluetooth when you're not using it. So as you see here, if you click this, you can just say, hey, I'm doing this vertically. Sorry. You can say, hey. You can write anything. It's awesome. And now as you see, if you don't want to connect it over here, and I recommend you one thing: do not open it and connect it over here. In emergency time, of course you can do it, but if it even gets a bit of a hit, it may break. So always use the adapter if in best cases. I remove the adapter. So here's my adapter over here. So okay. So I remove my adapter. Woo! Okay. So now in this, as you see the O part, so you insert it over here and bring it here. If you have a normal Apple charger, you can do it, or else you need to buy an Apple charger. Keep care of that. You can insert the other part of it over here and you press on. It's charging. See, it's so cool. Now it's fully charged. So I'm removing this and just keeping it back in my case. And with this, you also have a free tip. So if your tip breaks, it's good. So in the end of this video, I have a conclusion. This is a very good Apple Pencil. It's good for artists and drawers who like precise work. So it's a very good Apple Pencil. You should especially buy this if you have an Apple iPad. And make sure to like and subscribe our videos. We are having some more videos for you. So remember the code word AKA. And today's question is this: how many times did we see the word Apple Pencil? Brackets excluding the word in the question. Please write in the comment section below. And enjoy.